Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Dot Exchange. Today I'm just doing with my web camera. From tomorrow onwards, we will start with our regular camera. So regular camera will be better. I'm yet to set up my regular camera. So coming back to market, it was a dramatic day. But in the morning, I just said the Nifty is likely to close between 25,500 and 25,800. But in the morning, for second time in the recent weeks, the Nifty tested 25,500. So 25,500 broken decisively and then now recovered. The recovery was a great recovery, more than 300 points. Intraday players had a tough time, except call option buyers. Nifty moved about 70 to 80 points higher in the morning. Then from there, it fell more than 200 points. And then from the low level, it shot up more than 300 points. It was just too volatile. When suddenly market fell in the morning after opening higher, I was checking for the reason for the fall. The reason was very simple. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv put together, these two stocks dragged the market by about 70 points. I think markets were not happy with the results, and 70-point fall came only from Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv. It is already expected that some kind of a selling pressure will be coming here and there in HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So that's mainly because of the Bank Nifty index reject. So at some point of time, Nifty was down nearly 90-100 point. An entire 90-100 point fall came from these three stocks: Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, and HDFC Bank. So if you leave these three stocks, even at the lowest point of the day today, the Nifty was flat only. And then came a sudden rally, and after Nifty rallied about 150 points from the day's low, I was looking for the reason. And one of my friends called me, he said, Trump deal is coming. Trump is indicating fresh deal with India. But later, some other friends told me that this is actually not the new news. It actually came today morning itself. But probably some business channels highlighted this after the Nifty rallied about 150 points from day's low. So what happened? Because of panic, Nifty rallied another 150 points. And I told you today morning, two things. Number one, it's going to be volatile because of weekly expiry. And second thing, because of exit poll results in Bihar today evening. But it is generally expected that, BJP alliance is likely to win. But because of that only, I thought, the markets will not be very bearish. But 25,500 was broken. So for last three trading session, what is happening? One day market crashing, the next day market shooting up, third day again market crashing, and within intraday itself is shooting up. So the markets were just too volatile, and it is expected to be like this for another few days. Something like morning market crashes, afternoon market shoots up. Opinion poll may show something different. Exit poll may show something different. Actual poll results may show something else. So we have seen like this many times. For those who can remember, the exit poll results about the Brexit has gone terribly wrong. So, within few hours before the results, everybody believed that, Brexit will not happen. Few hours later, the results came, the Brexit has happened actually. So, I will try to predict anything except political outcome. So it's not going to be easy for anyone to predict the political outcome. And every one of us will have some kind of a bias. So I used to tell, the most difficult thing in this world is being unbiased. It's going to be very, very difficult. So, if you ask my personal opinion, uh, personally, I want BJP alliance to lose, but my portfolio want BJP to win. So if BJP loses, my portfolio will see some damage, right? So all those who are holding the portfolio, I also hold a significant portfolio. So all those holding the portfolio, so they want BJP alliance to win. So that we'll see later, and we need to see whether there is any FII buying. And in this whole series, FIIs are net sellers every trading session, except one day where there was a Bharti Airtel block deal. So we need to see whether any FIIs change their mind. So meanwhile, Asian markets are okay. US, European markets are also okay. US futures are coming under slight selling pressure. That's okay. The US markets shot up 3% between day before yesterday low and yesterday's high. So when that kind of a rally has happened, like small, like 5-10 point fall is okay. So we have to wait for the data, and we also wait for the exit poll results, and then we have to wait for the US markets closing today, so to see how things may go. But now, one thing is sure, 25,500 is going to be a good support. It was broken 2 times. Both the times market took support, so we can say it's a kind of a double bottom. Of course, markets, not really very bullish also. But if any US-India trade deal happens, maybe, there can be a good rally. So still, bulls are hoping that Nifty will close at all-time high by the end of this year. So let us see what is going to happen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.